Let's do a quick walk around of the International Cub I bought the other day. This is a 1976 International Cub with a 42C Woods belly mower. Now it does need some work. Tractor this age, of course, is never going to be perfect, but this one should be fairly easy to fix up. So, a couple things to know. First off, I've got a new fuel line coming to replace that. It looks like at some point in the past the fuel line had been cut. Fuel lines are pretty cheap, so I get a new replacement part coming. I'm going to clean the whole thing up. Hasn't been washed in some time, as you can see. Clean it up, figure out what needs greased, figure out what else needs replaced. Got a new radiator cap coming. That one doesn't quite hold the pressure it needs to, but that's okay. Another easy fix. The skids on the Woods belly mower need to be replaced, so I'm going to be replacing those. Got those ordered and they're coming. What else do I want to quickly repair on here? Things that are obvious and easy to repair, of course. I'll have to, at some point, do a tune-up on the engine, but that's not something I need to do immediately. It runs pretty well as is. I just like to do it to make sure that everything is in good operating order. Seat needs replaced, of course. I think right now, before I replace it, I'll just stitch that white part back to the red part, but as you can see, the red vinyl is coming apart, so I do want to replace that. You can still get those, easy to replace. What else do I want to do on this? I'm going to change out the check and change out the gear oil in the final drives. My suspicion is it's never been checked, but that's okay. No reason to check it if it's not acting up and not leaking. Rear tires are good. Front tire, need to replace this one. It's got some heavy cracks. This tire looks okay though, so I won't be replacing this one. I might replace them both if I find a decently priced matching set down at the Tractor Supply. Let's see here. There's a sticker of the parts and service. Oh, that was here in Clinton, Illinois. I'll have to check that out. I did not realize that. Pretty cool. That's it. I'm gonna get the power washer out, move it up a little bit, and we'll get it power washed, get it cleaned up, get it looking good, and figure out what else we want to do with it. a ride. Alright, there we have it. I told Amy I wouldn't keep it parked on the driveway for too long. She gets a little bit mad at me for taking up all the parking spots with the different tractors. This one's going to be quite a bit of fun to fix up a little bit, use around here, so that's about it for today. So I'll let you go and we'll talk to you next time. Thank you.